Install VMware Tools to optimize Windows Server VM performance. Mount VMware Tools ISO and Server. From the VMware menu go to VM, then install VMware Tools. Inside Windows Server 2025, open File Explorer, go to this PC and DVD drive. You can show VMware Tools CD to the VM. Double-click DVD drive VMware Tools to start Setup Wizard. Click Next. Select Typical, Recommended. Click Next. Click Install. Allow driver installation if prompted and install process ongoing. Click Finish. Then click Yes to restart the server for important for drivers to work properly. During restart, keep wait for restarting. After restart, using server password, login into Windows Server. Dismount VMware Tools ISO following process. VMware Network Editor is a tool in VMware Workstation Pro used to create, modify, and manage virtual networks that virtual machines use. Go to Edit, then Virtual Network Editor. You can show default 2 VM NIC 1 VNet 1 host only and VNet 8 for NAT. You can show also IP address for that VNIC. Go to VM setting for network settings, check. Based on my lab need we have set network you can show. Now set date and time, right-click Date and Time, bottom right corner. Select your time zone like my steps. If sync required additional settings you can do this. Set region or country. Under region, select your region. Network settings, go to Control Panel. Network and Sharing Center. You can show your network interface. In my case we have 3 interface and 2 group. Based on my lab, now I have configure IP and network interface following my steps. Other 2 interface we have create a team group for failover and redundancy. NIC teaming combines multiple physical NICs into one logical interface to provide network performance. Open Server Manager, click Local Server. Find NIC teaming, click Disabled. In NIC teaming window, click Tasks New Team. Set a name of team name and set member adapters like Ethernet 1 and 2. Click Additional Properties. Set Teaming Mode Switch Independent, Load Balancing Mode Address Hash, Standby Adapter Optional. Click OK for save this configure, a new adapter will appear. Assign IP address to team interface, right-click Team Interface. Configure IPv4, static IP recommended. Following my steps configure IPv4. Common teaming modes for Learn, we can configure switch independent, LASP, static. Check ping for reachability. In this vlog, we installed VMware Tools, explored VMware Network Editor with configuration steps, set time, date, and region, and configured network settings on Windows Server 2025. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.